I thought for a minute that you'd broken it. How's it going? Oh dear. A bit late today. What's everyone up to? What's everyone been up to? Let's see if I can get this. Just do that. And then do that for the minute. Ah, man. Please hold. Both screens. Both screens. Please hold. Please hold. Hey Lord of Gaming, how you doing? What's your take on SteamOS available on any PC? I don't think that it is yet, is it? My understanding is that it was still AMD based. Like, my screen might go away. Can you still hear me? You can still hear me, right? Can you hear me still? Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Sorry, I've turned out the lights. Hold on. Please hold. Vertical stream. Open. Vertical. So that's that one. Okay. Oh, that needs to go over to there. Let's just minimize that for a second. Oops. Yeah, that goes to there. Cool, cool. And then we need to do this one. Open selector. Do that. Nice. And that one goes to there, like that, in the middle. Just pop that there like that, look. There we go. Back to scene. Press that one. And then we press both screens. Hey, let's go. Right, next up we have got 1444, which is open selector, that one. Okay, that should be, wait, what? Oh, hang on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Right, okay, and then next up, we need to press that one, and press this one, and then that one there should be that one, like that. Nice. Clarkson fans, America. Yeah, it's a bit. Yuki in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. XD Weed, hello, welcome on in. What is your window manager and OS? So I'm running Fedora, and I'm running it with a new window manager called, well, it's actually a window environment called Kinetic, which has been built by a good friend of mine, Don, and I'm helping him with that. Been working on it pretty much all day today. And yeah, so it's basically, think of it as KDE Plasma without the plasma and a lot less KDE. That's kind of what that is. It's very cool. It's basically, so Don, the Black Don, has built out a pretty much from the ground up fork from Kwin, and has built tiling into it, and it's freaking awesome. I'm really enjoying it. So Lord of Game says in a way it is, and NVIDIA drivers isn't ready, but the image is available to download. The image has been available to download for ages. Just not the easiest and best way to do it right now, but it's possible. Yeah, it was possible. When did I do it actually? Let me just bring that up, pop that over there, pop that over there. Go to YouTube. Actually, I'll just move these out of the way for a second. If we go to, I quite like that thumbnail actually. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is it? Wait, stick to type in here. Steam OS. Steam OS. When did I record that then? So I revisited it. Oh yeah, that's right. So it's then. So 6 months ago. We'll see Steam OS and Slip pair. So you could install it 6 months ago, dude. So yeah. To me, Noctalia. What plugin are you using to multi-stream? I'm not multi-streaming. I'm only on Windows. Windows? What the fuck? I'm only on. Look at my old desktop. How crap does that look? Jesus. I'm only on YouTube at the moment. KCB in the house. Right, I need to work out how to do this properly. So we're gonna go down here, and we're gonna pause that, and then we're gonna hit that. Where is it? That one there.
The birds are flying and the wolves are hunting. KCB has entered the chat.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, and we got the Black Don in as well. Let's go.
Fresh beat, fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Don.
Let's go, yeah. Of course I noticed you, dude. Of course I noticed you. I was just catching up through chat, you know, go through the chat. I think there might be a little bit of a delay, you know. But I need to sort out the music though, because I have to keep doing that every time. Where is it? Play. Boom. Right, so we go back up to here. So yeah, I did that like 6 months ago. Did scroll down, you can see there's two things you need to worry about here. One is getting the actual image, and two is this command here, and we'll come back to that. So I'm just going to click on that, do it. Whilst that's downloading, I would suggest you open up your favourite notepad and do two things. Firstly, open up console and then just type lsblk dash. I had to think about that then, where that was. That's quite funny, not gonna lie. Move that out like that, move that out like that, there we go. How are you doing, KCB? How you doing, the Black Don? Hey, what are we talking about here? You know what we're talking about. So KDW, no. It's KWin with Noctalia, with a dash, a little tiny dash of KDE. Most of the KDE's here. That's it. That's pretty much all of the KDE. But it's got its own tiling manager built into it here. Pretty much 99% of the shell is Noctalia. So, yeah. I missed Init's in the house. Hello, Init. Welcome on in. Good to see you. So KCB has just fixed an issue on Minecraft. Nice. Nice. Right, okay, so what I was trying to do is we're going to go into here, we're going to go CD, development. Oh, this isn't going to work, I don't think. Hang on. Projects, out, GL, because I haven't reset my key, have I? And then we'll go at Python at .py. Oh, hello, it's working. Let's go. Let's go. We got it. We got it. Is that triggering anyone else? Because it is me. Hang on. Let's move it over to there like that. So if we put it like there, where the T is on content, and we put that one there like that, where the T is on content. There we go. Nice. Another question, have you heard that Epic Games and EA have got Linux faults in their teams? Hopefully we'll see games like Fortnite and BF6 on Linux soon. Finally they see Linux a good platform. Well, hope so. Yeah, I have seen it. Would I play Fortnite and would I play Battlefield 6? I probably would actually. Yeah, I probably would play those. I used to play it on the Xbox. Yeah. I'm worried that Apex Legends comes back actually. KCB says the issue I had was that Minecraft's full screen was being weird, like every time I swapped to a different desktop and go back I would have to alt tab in order to see the game. Oh. How do you play it then? Do you play it through something like Lutris or something? Or right, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down to an empty screen. We'll do it on gaming, why not? And then we're going to go virtual manager. RPM test complete. I don't think I want to delete this one because this one's got a pretty it's got a pretty what's it got? See, that's quite pretty, that, isn't it? Another question is, isn't that only issue having virtual desktops? I don't have any issues with virtual desktops. I've got, how many have I got right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've got 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sneak peek at next week's thumbnail. Minecraft Java Edition has a Linux version. Oh, okay, nice. I still have Fedora VM, almost 100 days old with LGL lowdown. Nice. Right, let's. We are going to get rid of this one now, so we can close that off. Force off. Close that. Do you know what? Do you know what I fancy doing? Because I don't need to worry about keybinds. So we're going to do this instead. We're going to open up console. Yes, that's console. I'm going to do this. Actually, that's quite... Let's just do VM Creator. VM Curator. There we go. Just do that. We'll stick it. Actually, what we'll do is we'll do that. There we go. So that's now locked in. Look, it's locked. Boing, boing, boing. I need a sound effect that goes boing, boing, boing. That would be cool, wouldn't it? So we need to take the Linux master, and we need to go manage. We need to go snapshots. We need to go restore. Yes. Escape. Escape. And then we'll go launch. Love it. I set a window rule in KDE to force it to be set to full screen on my system so it will not be bugged. Ah, good. Good workaround. Okay, well that doesn't seem to be working, does it? Let's try it again. Nope, not that one. That one. VM Curator. We're going to do that. We're going to go Linux. Do we have to? Is this the one we have to start? Let me go to manage. Boot options. Normal boot. Yes. Moonlit Shift. Hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you. How are you today? What are you up to? So this one's already installed, isn't it? So we'll shut this one off. So it's not that one. So we can delete that. So how do we delete it? We go manage 12. Yes. Right. Okay. So this one. No, we want to go manage boot options, normal boot. Yes. There we go. Definite one. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Good morning. Looks like my snapshot hasn't worked. What are we doing today? So we've got a couple of things I want to do today. One, I'm going to try out Zero Linux's Zero Dora script. Then I'm going to test. I don't know. I might wait actually. Then I might install Workstation and test out Velocity's wallpaper selector. Maybe do a spin the wheel You know? Yeah, that's not working, is it? Right, okay, we'll go back to the old-fashioned way of doing it then. So I can, that's the one part. I can get rid of our Linux, can't I? Delete that. Yes. I can delete that Niri Noc. I think I can delete probably all of them now. Don't ask again. I need to keep the RPM one because we've already got workstation. Ah. That was the one that I started to build. So we'll just do a new one. Why not? It's not like I haven't got enough space. We'll go for Fedora everything. 8192. We'll just do 30. And then we'll go XERODORA. Going to customize it, finish. Add that there, apply, display, splice, do that, apply. We're going to add a file system. We're going to go to local. Home. Have I still got RPM built in here? I don't forgot. Did I get rid of the builds or not? Hang on. We'll open up a Dolphin here. Home, PM build, RPMs. Oh, we have got them. When did I do that one though? Today at 7. Oh, we might do this actually. I might do this as well. Hey Rick Tech, how you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. What's going on here? All sorts going on today. And then target path would be RPM test. Finish. Begin installation. Oh, shared memory, right. Memory. Shared memory. Apply. Begin. Wait, what? Oh. There we go. So I am actually... let's just do this first.
Release the window from tiling hell.
It's not letting me. It's not letting me. There we go. So if I put that there, and then what we can do is you can bring up another browser. You can release that one from tiling hell and stick it just there, like so. In fact, we could probably put it back. We could probably put it back into tiling hell, and then pop that one. I know, pop that one like that, and put it there. And then we can just do that. Oh no! Wait. We'll do that. Well, that's not work. I think I've got a ghost window, Dom. And it's all down to this freaking Zen browser. I might have to find a new browser. Because Zen doesn't adhere to anything. Right, okay. Well, I just want to make sure that you guys can see everything. That's all. Oh wait, you can see everything. You got the full screen. It should be on this one. What are we doing? It should be there. I lost 2 days trying to put VR headset to work on CashOS. No way. It's still not quite there yet, is it? Right, okay. Where are we going? Where are we going? That's actual Zero Linux. Download. Here we go. View on GitHub. Go to README. Right, let's get installed, shall we? Making loads of decisions. Continue. Do that. Done. Moonlight Shift says, let's say if I play games on Windows 11 Pro Guest, so should I record on that only or record on the host? I have a dual. I don't know, dude. If you're on Windows, this isn't the place to ask those questions, I'm afraid. Probably get better answers from Google. Updated README today, nice one. Only for Valve ones and Wi-Fi based ones, those work. Ah, okay, yours is a Rift S. Oh, I see, right, okay. We shall see. Zero Linux, we shall see. Right, what are we looking at? I've got the chat there. See, I was going to work on my apps today. I really should, especially the SCX one. But I've used so many freaking tokens today, Don. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't include the Wi-Fi drivers. Licensing shit again, innit? So, did you actually get it working or not then, Rick Tech? See, I've got a Rico. I gave my Quest 2 to my son, and I stole his Rico. I think it's called. Is it a Rico? Oh no, Pico. Pico. So yeah. Yeah, it's a lot to do with the licensing, Zero. And them not making decisions for you. I mean, having Wi-Fi ones would be quite useful, wouldn't it? A proof of concept kind of working, but not good enough to play games. Oh, that's a shame. And I compile a bunch of programs. Wow, nice. Right, we need to go to that one. Oh, I see the note there. Cal equals F SSL HTTPS //URLs .0 Linux .xyz XERO BORA pipe to bash This will modify your system. Yes. Web browsers. Enter numbers separated by spaces or press enter to skip all. Install F installed by a Flatpak. R by the repo. So we'll do 10. Don't need any of those. Don't need any of those. Don't need any of those really. Maybe MPV. Terra. Fuck no. Enter. I got my suspicions my device failed, so I installed Windows 10. Oh man. Hey, Smitty in the house. Right, I need to work out how to do this. So I click in here, click that, press that. No, yeah, press that, and then go.
Smooth, now it's game time.
Let's go. I need to map a mute button to this. I don't know how. And I don't want to do it to the whole of Zen either. There you go. How you doing, Smitty? Anyway, good to see you. Lol, 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 lol. Hey, people ruin everything fun. How you doing? That's a name. Never mute a good tune. You have to when you're doing these over thingies. Thingy-me-mees. Like my scrolling effect not taking full screen. Nice decoration header. Yeah. Oh, it was going so well until it said installing KDE. What are you up to, Smitty? I like Zen browser. I'm slowly getting there. I was up too late playing Shape of Dreams. Nice. Yeah, I'm not minding it, to be honest. I had a couple of issues with it. I couldn't get it to get rid of everything that I wanted to, and I had to go into the config. But yeah, as soon as I found that, the ability to do that, I was happy. The bit that I struggle with still is remembering that these aren't bookmarks, that they're actual tabs. And if I close one, it closes it. So yeah, took me a bit of getting used to that. The Rave, hello the Rave, welcome back. I think I recognise it. How you doing, dude? Hello to you too. What are you doing? What are you up to? How's it going? Oh, Don. I don't know if Don's still there. He's probably not there. If you're there, Don, let me know. Oh yeah, don't forget to like as well. And let's do some of these while we're here, so we can do that one. Oh, hang on, I need to. I need to do this again. Do this one first.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も各種登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
It's like adverts, isn't it? It's like the adverts. And now, it's time for the commercial break. Making dumplings as dinner was on last stream 6 days ago. I still like that. Still funny. Hope that one. And then there's also this one, which I'm going to get ready to do this time. So I'm trying to build out 100 followers on Twitch, and we are actually halfway there. So if there's anyone in the house who is on... No, that's not right. That's just giving away the spec file. Let's not do that, shall we? If there is anybody who's also on Twitch, if I get to 100, I will stream there. So go and click on that link and watch this.
A different road, a different pitch. 100 followers, I'm live on Twitch.
Thanks, Definite One.
Linux gaming, the highs and lows. What's behind the screen? Nobody knows.
Let's go. So yeah, we're at 50. We're at 50. I could come. I could become an affiliate now, couldn't I? Right. Do we want to apply the lay-in rice? If I say no, I'll 100% guarantee you that Zero Linux will cry. So we're going to say yes. Okay. Done too. Brilliant. Thanks, the rave. You sure you want to continue? Yes. And then we can go back here. So is there a way to mute tab? Does it say mute tab? Mute tab, but there's no shortcut for it. Can someone look to see if there's a key bind to mute tab? What's going on here? Oh, here you go. Hey Velocity, how you doing? It's too much. What's too much? Done on Twitch Day, you announced it. Thanks, dude. There is an underline on the M. There is an underline on the M. Wait, what? No. You don't have to do that, you just do that. Don't have to do sudo and all that rubbish. Just do reboot, dude. You might want to update that. Soyaro Nightmare. Hello. Doesn't Twitch affiliate require to have a certain amount of viewers while streaming? Doesn't look like you're streaming right now. Greetings, by the way. Yes, it does. So I would have to start streaming. And I would have to do get an average of 3 viewers, so CCV of 3, and I would have to stream. I think it's 5 days within a month or something like that, maybe. Don will know. So Don, I can't remember what I was going to say to you now. That Don, there was something I was going to say, but I can't remember. British English. I do like this setup better. Keyboard, dark theme, Fedora. Now let's do that. London, finish. 4 hours for 4 streams with 3 concurrent viewers, average. Perfect. Thanks, dude. Next. What happened to the oh, it's because I've installed it from everything, isn't it? It doesn't give you the RPM option. Right, feedback. Immediately you have failed Zero Linux in your efforts to build a Fedora rice. completely failed miserably. Do you want to know why? That's the old icon. That's not even the Fedora icon anymore. So I have to uninstall it. Let me know when you've done it again. Hang on, wait. Every time I see a YouTuber do a Fedora video and it's using the old icon, it puts me off. I know it's pretty anal, isn't it? But there you go. Do you like that wallpaper? Yeah, it is quite a nice wallpaper, isn't it? Still working on that. Yeah, sure. Seems like your OS is louder than your voice. My OS is louder than my voice. How does that work? Oh, dude, you're the only person who's noticed. That should be better. Oh my god. How come nobody has said anything? God, you just can't get the members, can you? Actually, it's my fault. I should have checked in here. Look, it would tell me. If I just looked here, it would have told me. See, if I turn the 46 volt bulb. That's... Wait, what? Oh, no, that's still good. Wait, what? That should be better. No, that's not a Facebook icon, but yeah. It looks like Facebook, doesn't it? But it's not. I think that's why they changed it. Oh, the system sounds. Yeah, they are quite loud. So if I go into here, let me just have a quick listen. I just want to listen back, see, because testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. That's quite well balanced. Okay, but you were saying about the OS sounds, right? Okay, cool. What do you mean? Just. Where did that open up then? Beyond temp. Linux Gamer Life. We'll go Fedora. Right, you got a good one now. Fix it. I was telling you, mute tab as underline in it in the keyboard shortcut. Yeah, but that's only if you're there, right? Yes, I'm pressing M, and this is Alt M. No, that's not working. I think so. That's the one supplied by Circle. Well, they're supplying you the wrong one. Do your research, dude. Rave, you suggested me to use Pika OS last week's stream. If that helps, you jog your memory. Wait, what? Have I missed something? There you go. Who was it last? Sora, yeah. So what am I looking at? I thought I'd recognise most desktops by now, but yours not apparently. So I'm rocking Kinetic WE, which is a custom Kwin build built by our very own Don.
Fresh beat, fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Dawn.
So he's building it out at the moment, and it's with Noctalia. Hey Raven Sky, how you doing? Welcome on in, good to see you. Yes indeed, thank you Velocity. I am indeed using Vert Manager. Kimu, Quemu, Kaboo. Chlorine in the house, hello. It's Control M to mute an active tab. Right, so how do I get that into a script? And if I'm not there, yeah, so you have to be in that window. So that's going to be a problem. I need to work out how to do it not from that window. But thank you, Chlorine. That does help a lot. I can do that a lot quicker. So yeah, so oops, didn't want to do that. And did I change the screen size? Right, let's change that to the normal size, which is that one. Apply. And we're going to keep that, and then we're going to just make that go. I'm just going to get that off the screen for the minute, and then we'll just do that. So it's nice and much better. Fedora 40 I see. I'm in Nabara 43 currently. Gnome kind of grew on me. Oh, nice. That makes sense. Sorrow Nightmare says but your desktop looks interesting too. Currently I don't have a machine where I do experiments on, otherwise I try it, I guess. That's what these are for, dude. That's what these VMs are for. Probably 80% of everything I've learned in terms of desktop environments and distros has all been in a VM. But I will warn you though, it's quite addictive. So yeah, bear that in mind. But what I like about this at the moment is if I scroll through to an empty screen, right, so I'm just going to change my wallpaper. We're going to change it to one of the new ones, I think. Let's change it to the stream one. There we go. I think whatever environment you go with, you're going to end up. Let me just do it like that. That's right, actually. I think whatever environment you go with, you're going to mess about with it to make it look right for you anyway, aren't you? So I quite like this. So I'm going to open up these. So I've got two of these open, right? So I'm going to press Meta V on that, and then no, sorry, Meta V. I can't get to that one. Hang on. No, where are you? That one. No, that one. No, that one. No, that one. No, that one. Where are we? Wait, what? Let me just close that one. There we go. So I'll do Meta V on that one. So if I now open up another one, oh no, it's no point doing it with this actually, because I've got it. I'll do Dolphin. There we go. We can do Dolphin. That'd be better. So if I open up Dolphin, look, it opens up like that. If I open up another Dolphin, it opens up center. Open up another one. And if I press Super Shift and number 2, number 1, see that? Number 2, number 1. So that fits it in for 16 by 9. So we stick to that. Let's open up another Dolphin, shall we? Open up another Dolphin. If I wanted to, I can grab that and make that like there. Do that. And then just do that. And quit, 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 quit. Very cool. So I have a habit of already using all my RAM. There's just nothing left for VMR. No. What's limiting? Or more specific, what do you mean by that? Means I find it non-intuitive as long-time Windows user. That's fair enough. Yeah, you can't go into Linux thinking it's Windows. You'll have a hard time. Tastes are different, I guess. Kind of got stuck on GNOME 12 years ago. That's it. That's the thing. It really doesn't matter what desktop environment you use, as long as you're comfortable with it. It's like a distro, really. Choose what works for you. I actually quite like Cinnamon, which is obviously based on old GNOME. I really like Cinnamon. I actually quite like Cosmic too. Back then I just wanted something that doesn't look like Windblow, and that the goal was achieved. Exactly. I'm using GNOME. Yeah, Velocities. You've been using GNOME for quite a while now, haven't you? Smitty says, with DDR prices and my PC being 9 years old, I think I'm just going to buy a new DDR4. I have 64 gig motherboard and an i9 14900 KF. Thoughts, anyone? Do it. Do it. And now we have a flock of dolphins. Yes, we do. Hey, Genpai, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. The fact I never used Mac didn't help much. I really don't like the Mac. I really don't like the Mac desktop environment at all. In fact, I freaking hate it. It's horrible. It's really, really, really horrible. Yeah, not a fan. What's that behind there anyway? Oh, that's the VM, isn't it? Dolphin is my favourite. Yep, it's my favourite too. Oh yeah, DDR4 is expensive right now. Very much so. Velocity says, if you have Micro Center close to you, I would check them. They have bundles and you can get RAM, motherboard and CPU. I would go AMD, but that's what I will do next time I upgrade. That's why I want a DDR4. I can oh, you've already got 64 gig. Right, gotcha. Holy crap. I mean, good job. Zero Linux, good job. What I am going to do though, I'm going to try something. I'm going to go, right, can I remember how to do this? Mount. No, MK dir minus P / mount / RPM test. Maybe I'll add some sudo in front of that, you know. And then we're going to go sudo mount -t virtue file system / RPM test. I don't know if I need to put a / after that or not. / mount / RPM test. And then cd / mount RPM test. ls cd. Wait, what? Wait, what? going on with all... Oh, it's there. Oh, it is there. Where's all the files then? Sudo dnf install kinetic. This is going to be a good test, actually. So sudo dnf copr enable lionheart p / hypr land. Yes. Sudo dnf upgrade -- refresh. And then we'll just do that. Let me catch up on chat. I live in the middle of nowhere. Overall feedback besides icon. It looks the same as the Zero Linux, the Arch one, dude. I don't really have much feedback, really. I guess my current machine will go through some kind of downgrade soon. Just happened to get a new ThinkPad recently. Think about primarily using that. Well, you could use the old one as just a VM machine or just a testing machine, you know. Not even a Best Buy for 40 minutes. Damn. You inspired me, the LGL effect. Nice. Good. Of course, my current machine would still serve me as a gaming platform. But since the USB controller is kind of broken, I'd use Steam streaming feature to play from the ThinkPad, I guess. KCB says Linux is like ice cream. You have your flavors, distros, and you have your toppings, desktop environments, and window managers. Yeah, that's good analogy, actually. Losty got it. If you already have the RAM, then I have an i5 13600K that's been rock solid and doesn't have any issues like the i7 and higher for the 13th, 14th gen. Nice. Enormous chunks in the house. When did you sneak in? Hello, mate. How you doing? Mount is what I'm doing later. Uh-oh. What then are the ingredients? That's the packages. Smitty, that stinks. Shark tooth in the house as well. Let's go. Hang on, we got one for shark tooth, haven't we? Wait. Let's see if this works now. So I'm going to click on here. Oh, here. Wait, what? Oh, it's hiding. So we can do Control M. Hey, there we go. Nope. Did that wrong. Did it wrong. That one.
Sharktooth here, the Dark Wave King. Battle this hell diver.
You didn't hear that, did you? You didn't hear that. I turned it all off. It's supposed to have been that one.
Sharktooth the dark wave king. Battle bit, hell divers, everything. Tactical plans and a hot take dropped. The debate has never stopped.
Let's go. I will become a pro streamer one day. Yeah, I pressed both of them at once, so it's playing them both at once, so I just got rid of it. Is it me or is the stream very laggy? Nope, looks perfect to me, dude. And I'm watching it on my mobile, so... It's you! Is that a ghost window? Or is it because I haven't got anything else open? Let's see. Nope. I think you got rid of the ghost windows, Don. Which is very cool. Oh, wait. So I've released that one from Tiling Hell. That's the one I should be using. But I've got two open. What one's that one? What one's that one? Oh, I don't know. Works for me too. No, the original Yuki. Yay! OG Yuki. I mean, I don't know what to say, to be honest, dude, because it's basically Fedora, and I don't like that. It's basically Fedora, isn't it? Everything's all out. That's in the wrong place for me. But that's a me thing. And original still in the box, Don. So we're all up to date, right? Nice. Just gonna do that. Oh no, I can just open here, can't I? New file. Oh. That's interesting because that hasn't worked. So we're going to try something else. We're going to go... But no, it does look good, dude. It does look good. But it looks the same as... the one on Arch, but it's just got Fedora underneath, so I prefer this one. If that's the feedback you want, I prefer this one. Good job. Oh, Yuki Love, let's go. We got double Yukis tonight. I do like the wallpaper today. Very cool. Right, okay. What we're going to do, close that one, bring that one up, and then we're going to go new, forward, Fedora everything, forward, 8192, forward, 30. I don't think I need 30 ever, but we're doing it. And then we're going to go kinetic. Do we run? And then we'll do test because I've already got one. Configure, finish. We're then going to go memory, share memory. We're then going to go virtual, video, Vertio. It's Vertio, isn't it? Vertio video. Yeah. And then apply, which we've done. Display splice. Change that to none. Open GL. Let's go. And then we're going to add hardware. We're going to add a file system. And we're going to source it to a local folder called home RPM build. And we'll just go straight to the RPMs rather than faffing. Okay. And then we're going to call it /RPMs. And then we're going to finish. And that's all that done. That's all that done. Begin. Let's go. Hey, DexMexTex. Hello, welcome on in. Distro roulette again. Maybe later. There's one other thing I want to test as well after this. How you been anyway? How has everybody been? It's good to see you all. Yeah, that was honestly, that was the only thing, Zero. Aside from it not being aligned with my workflow, because that's another thing that often overlooked with switching between desktop environments and things like that. We've all got our own way of working. We've all got our own workflows. And the simple thing like having the launcher in the top left, that's very much Mac, and I hate Mac. That does not compute with, especially on an ultra wide when it's literally right in the top left corner. It just doesn't work with my workflow. As I said to Don the other day, this area here is where I work. It's kind of this, I don't know, yeah, this area here is where I work. Anything outside that area, in fact, it's probably even narrower than that. It's probably like literally here. So I don't really like taking my mouse outside of this little area here. So anything that's over here is it just does not compute for me. So I like to keep everything in this little area. And it works for me. So yeah. Continue. So if you want to learn how to use VMs to install Fedora, pretty much every stream I've gone through this. Yeah, notice how installer doesn't require git clone. Also left everything being user choice, not forcing stuff even terror as a choice. Yeah, that's a good job, dude. Yeah, but then you're relying on somebody to have it up on their personal website rather than it being on Git. You know, if you stop paying for your service provider, then it's no longer available. But it's probably going to be on Git forever, let's be honest. Now, I mean, I do fancy playing a game, but it's not game night. So we're going to be doing Linuxing, because that's what I said I'm going to be doing, right? That's what we're here for. We're here to do the Linuxing. What are you all doing anyway? Who's playing tonight, Velocity? Anyone playing football tonight? Well, you could just git clone. Oh, I see what you mean. I gotcha. Yeah. But you're using your own domain though, aren't you? Do what you want. Nah, I've got to stick with it because, you know, I've committed to Linuxing on Sundays. That's what I'm going to do. Wonder how long this is going to last for today. I can't believe it's already 9 o'clock. Jeez. Oops. Need to fix that meta scroll, dude. I keep end up. So here's the thing. On it's really good. Don't get me wrong. But if I meta, so I'm pressing meta and scroll. Okay. So if I press meta scroll, you can see I'm just changing from main to gaming, main to gaming, main to gaming, Okay. And if I grab this, if I hover over here and do meta scroll, it takes the actual app with you from main to gaming, which is really cool. But my workflow since I went to Niri has been use meta scroll to change through the windows, through the workspaces, or in this case virtual desktops, and then press super control, which I think is no. Oh, hang on, no. Oh, wait. What? Super alt to do workspaces. I just want those the other way around. I beg you, please. Put them the other way round. Right, okay, let's go to here. Perfect. Reboot. We got it. Do that. Icon will be fixed and launcher will be in dock. Oh no, don't change it for me, dude. I'm never going to use it, am I? Let's be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, easy password. So we need to go sudo make directory /mount -p /mount /rpms Oh my god. Oh my god. And then go sudo mount -t rpms to mount rpms. Oh my goodness me. Wait, what? I did make it, didn't I? Well, I did it the wrong way around. Is it that way around? That's that old man typing though. It hang on, let me just bring the chat down. What am I doing wrong here? So I made the directory called mount rpms, right? And then I'm hang on. So it's there. Well, it won't be on there because I don't want to add it on there because I want it when I reboot. I want it to be gone. Why? It's not going to be on there, is it? No, that's fine. So why does it even look at the? My brain has just gone. Vertio file system. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I am such an idiot. I've got to tell it it's the Virtue file system. Oh my god. Hang on, clear that. Alice. CD. We did mount it, right? So it is mounted. I'm just making sure I haven't got the spelling wrong. So that's fine. No, that's what I screwed up last time. That's fine. So that's good. And then we've got sudo mount -t. Oh, hang on. RPM PMS, and then it's mount RPMs. There we go. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Right, now we go CD mount RPMs Alice. There we go. Right, sudo dnf install kinetic 6.7. I know what to do. I know what to do. Let me go over to here. So that one. I think the one that I've built over on the thing isn't going to work either, Don. That's A, so I don't want that one. That's the one I want. Download. Nope. Oh shit. I want to download that. Download. Download. Continue to download. Right. Okay. So we downloaded that. Then we're going to go Control S. Can open that up. Can pop that in there for a minute. I'm going to grab that. Control X. Go home. RPM build. RPMs x84. We'll pop that one in here, and then we'll just pop that back there, and then we'll go back into the virtual machine, which we'll bring back to here, and then we're going to go and delete the A from there and do that. Huh. Hey Eugene, how you doing? Welcome in. Major buffering. Wait, what? Not for me, it's not. Oh, we're just Linux in the Eugene, to be honest. Brain fart, that happens, I know, right? Somewhere just finding your end. Perfect, thank you. So this worked earlier, but now it's not. Sudo DNF COPR enable / oh no, it's just Lionheart P / hyper land. Yes. So this didn't work on Zero Linux because there was conflicts with KDE. this should work. In theory. So, just if you're listening, Don, you still have to manually add the Noctalia repo, but you don't have to install it. And that's on a fresh install. So I don't even know if it's going to work on an install that's already got something installed. So that would be a problem. This installs Kinetic WE. So what I do need to do though is sudo dnf install light dm and light dm -gtk. And then we're going to go sudo system control enable now light dm. Got Kinetic WE up there. So that hasn't worked. Okay, that's not a problem. Don, where's the actual Wayland sessions folder? That's where it is, isn't it? Is that where's the start Kinetic WE folder? Which cd dot local bin. Share bin. It's not in here, I'm sure it isn't. Actually, just to make it a little bit easier for you, there you go, we'll do that. Maybe a bit more. Maybe do a bit more. Ah! But it's not in that one, is it? Pretty sure it's in our chat somewhere. So we'll go $home. Looking for the start Kinetic WE. Oh, found it. .local share. Oh, wait, what? Oh, hang on, no. Yeah, it's not in there though. .local cd .local. We've only got state and share. The meaning of life. What are you looking for? The meaning of life? Yeah, good luck with that, dude. Just got the Discord message for the stream. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? Let me just move this. Oh, hang on, no. Right, I'm just going to press this button for a sec. Hang on. I'm still here. Bear with, bear with, bear with. I always type sud instead of sudo. Okay, clear. And then we'll just do that. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't have a local bin. That is unusual, isn't it? Oh. It's not screwed up there, is it? Yeah, no dot, no bin. That is weird. It's going to be an acquired taste, KCB. I do like this track though. Back to the drawing board, I think, Don. I got it working on the other one. In the VM test, in the RPM test. Oh well. Exit. Boom. And then we'll just shut that down. I thought we had it, Don. I thought we had it. I got it working on that one. Should we spin the wheel? We're going to do one spin the wheel. You know the rules? Oh, that took ages. Right, let's do it.
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, luck decides what distro's next.
I could have done it. I could have tried to find it, but it's not where it should be. That's the problem. It's not a case that I can't find it. It's more of a case of it's not where it should be. What's going on? Come on. What's happened with that then? Oh, there we go. Okie dokie pokey. Indeed, indeed. We just do that. Get rid of that one. Go new tab. We're going to go to distro watch. And then we're going to go. Ow, my eyes! So dark mode. Yes. So, from Argentina, we have got Hiraya. Debian based. Okay. Download. Director. Three hours. It's messy Linux, yeah. Yeah, it's not as fast as messy though, is it? That's the problem. Yeah, we're not waiting for that. Sorry, dude. Right, next. There's too many to go through to... hang on. I bet that's from India. I'm going to guess that's from India. Philippines. Commander Linux is a Debian-based distribution featuring the XFCE desktop. The distribution's key feature is a Windows 7-like theme and desktop behavior designed to make migration from Windows to Linux easier. Is it active? It's active. Commander.org. Translate. Downloads. Okay. Right, just going to check one thing because I just want to make sure, you know. Manny Pacquiao Linux here. Hey Respawn, how you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. Yeah, I don't think it's my internet, is it? My internet's fine. One hour. Nope. Sorry. Next. How you doing, Respawn? What you been up to? It's Sunday. I know it's Monday tomorrow. No ideal. Small servers can't get the load. Yeah, I know. Oh, Zenwalk. What is this one? No spoilers. No spoilers. Slackware. LabWC XFCE. Formerly Mini Slack. Is a Slackware-based GNU Linux operating system with a goal of being slim and fast by using only one application per task, with a focus on graphical desktop and multimedia uses. Zenwalk features the latest Linux technology along with a complete programming environment and libraries to provide an ideal platform for application programmers. Zenwalk's modular approach also provides a simple way to convert Zenwalk Linux into a finely tuned modern server. Download. Zenwalk. There we go. Oh, I ran that years ago. Yeah, that can be fun. Chilling on vacation. Oh, nice. Where are you? Anywhere nice? Have you gone? Oh, Tree. Hello, Tree. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. Have you captured the flag today? I'm going to go to that screen, actually. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to go back. Which do you prefer? 16 by 9 or 21 by 9? But in the 16 by 9 wrapper. Using old vacation time doing stuff. Nah, you're right, Tree. You're right. It's fine. It's all good. If I was on Twitch at the same time and you were in my Discord, then we might have a problem. No, it's all good. Right, okay, so what we do need to do is we need to grab that. And we're going to just go down. And we're going to go... actually, no, we're going to go back up to here. We're going to close it off because we don't need that. Oh, no, we do need this. If we go downloads here, look. And then we just grab ZenWalk and we'll just pop it into this distros folder here, look. Like that. Move here. Go into distros, boom, there we go, it's there. So then what we can do is we can scroll down to here, go into here, click on there, click on that one, go to browse, go to browse local, go to distros, and we sort it by modified, got ZenWalk up the top there, let's go. Need to tell it what it is, Slack. Oh. We'll just go for the latest. I don't think it is the latest, is it? We're going to put some RAM on it. And we're going to put some cores on it. Because I've got some. We're going to... Wait, what? 16 gig? We can afford it. We're going to do 24. Just because we can. What is it called again? ZenWalk. ZenWalk. ZenWA. Okay. Customize. Finish. We don't need anything really apart from maybe... Oh, we don't have much here, do we? Ah. I don't think we'll be able to apply that, will we? I don't think that's going to work because we haven't got Virtuo video. Ah, screw it, just do it. Wait, do I need to put... no, still deciding between Gen 2 and Fedora. That's quite a big difference. Oh, it's this. Keyboard, yeah, that's fine. Still, do you test Haiku? Did you test Haiku? I don't remember actually. Kinetic is running beautifully. Okay, the map is now installed. You may now test by typing out anything you want. So if I do Shift and 2, it should be an at. Hey, let's go. But it's to reject. Accept map. Nice. Right, let me just close this one behind. Get this one out of the way like that. We're going to just quit that one. I could have minimized it, but I decided not to. You may now log in as root. Okay. If you're upgrading an existing ZenWalk system, you might want to remove old packages before you run setup to install the new ones. If you don't, your system will still work, but there might be some old files left laying around on your drive. Just mount your Linux partitions on the mount and package tool. If you don't know how to mount your partitions, type pkg tool and it will tell you how it's done. To partition your hard disk, use CF or FS disk. To start the main installation after partitioning, type setup. PKG tool. Oh, okay. So F disk help. No, I can't be asked with that. CF disk to create CF disk. See, is that any better than this one? Ah, here we go. Thank you. We'll do that. Is there automation? New. Partition size. We've got 24 gig. We don't want 24 gig, do we? We want 1 megabyte, right? Because we're going to need the... Does it use boot? Is it going to use EFI? So that's G. So how do you... so we're going to go... Let me have a look, actually. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a real go. Oh, wait, what? What did I do? What did I do? I didn't do anything. What happened? Was it kernel panic, was it? Boot options. Move that up to the top there. Click apply. Go to IDE. Change that one to ZenWalk. No, that's not right. Browse local, distros, ZenWalk, apply, and then we're going to go back to here, press play. Okay, boot. Okay, one. We're not going to log in just yet. What I'm going to do is we're going to go and find my project. So if I go into develop, projects, sort it by created. No, modified. Oh no, I know it is. It's not in there. It's, let me just do this. Wait. It'll be in NAS project rebuild. The build. There we go. Okay. So where are we? Chlorine. Hello, Chlorine. Have you ever tried to set up Snapper BTRFS snapshots that lets you restore any system changes directly from boot menu on Fedora or Arch? I'd like that, like Casio. Yeah, no, I don't use that. I actually use Timeshift, and I like to have the snapshot on a different drive. So yeah, the Discord's VIP chat now has a horse. Yeah, I don't need to swap. Do you need to swap? So CF disk. Okay. GPT. New. Partition. So it's gig. So I need 512 megabytes. Is that going to work? Okay. That needs to be change type. EFI. Okay. Is that right? And then we're going to go new. Oh, hang on, right. Yes. Right. Yes. Type yes. Okay, so then we'll go back to there. We'll go new. And we're going to go 2 gigabyte. So it's 2G. Go. And that one's going to be called... That's EXT. That's fine. Perfect. Right. Yes. I didn't have to write every time, do I? And then this one, we're just going to do free space, the full partition, and we're going to change the type. How many types are there? Jeez whiz. What the hell? Yeah, screw it, that'll do. What do you mean, cheater? I did all that with my last build. That's where all that's come from. I need to read up a bit on the changes between Snapper and Time Shift. Then I need to get some of that stuff going here. Yeah, Time Shift is pretty cool. I use rsync on it though. And I rsync it to the other drive. Which is not as efficient. It uses more space, but... So we quit. Okay, then what? Set up. Welcome to ZenWalk Linux setup. Select an option below using the up and down keys and space to enter. Select the partition from the following list to use as your root. Quick format. Ah, here we go. So root is going to be ext4, that's fine. You seem to have one more than partition tag to type Linux. You may choose these to distribute Linux system across more than one. You might want to mount directories such as home or local on a separate partition. You should not try to mount etc. on partitions. So container utilities you need to bring here or there. Okay, full install. This really is old school, isn't it? Welcome to Linux storage. Yeah, when I did my full rebuild, did I just get another kernel panic? That's the setup I used. So Are we broken again? Is it broke? I mean, is it broken? Okay, I gave it a go. Next. Oh, that's touch portal. Okay, that makes sense now. Right, we'll go back to here. We'll close it off. Go back, back. Remove. Next. Refresh OS. Let's go. What we are doing is learning lots about OSs. Debian stable, KDE Plasma. Let's do it. Why? This does ring a bell though. No, we're not doing it. Do you want to know? Those of you who know why we're not doing that one. Because it's going to take 6,273 hours and 34 minutes, 27 seconds. Okay, XCPing. At least we're learning about all the different distros. CentOS. Active server based on wait, what? That must be quite old then, right? It's a high performance enterprise level virtualization platform that uses Zen, a free and open source hypervisor that allows multiple computer operating systems to execute on the same computer hardware concurrently. XCPNG stands for Zen Cloud Platform Next Generation. It is a modern successor to XCP, initially created as an open source version of Citrix Zen Server back in 2010. XCPNG is a secure platform to run any kind of virtualization workload while being managed by a central administration console called Zen Orchestra. Cool. We don't do server ones though, do we? Open source version of Citrix. Nice. Hey, it's Randy Pimble. How you doing? Welcome on in. So Randy says, I like most distros, but I love Zero Linux. Nice. This has been public service announcement. Good on you, dude. That will make Zero Linux very happy to hear. There's another Slackware one from Japan. So basically upgraded to include Japanese. Yeah, it's got to be. It's hard enough without. It's hard enough with English support. Next. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Deb Light. I wonder what that is. I wonder if that's Debian based and it's a light, something like Alex QT or something. What do you reckon? Français, bonjour, ça va? Alex D, close. Let's have a look, shall we? Téléchargement. Wow, la suite. How do we? Where's download? Where's download? Is it this one? It's the files. Forum. Downloads are here. SourceForge. Sorry, we're done. Next. Yes, let's install a Japanese OS. BSD's not Linux, dude. Raku is also very good for an atomic distro. I've been messing with that one this week. Nice. Ulma Linux. Didn't we do this one last week? We played with, not last week, the week before we played with Ulma Linux. So next. Bearing in mind there is like 400 odd of them. So yeah. I'm not worried about being harsh and getting rid of them. Soplos. Huh. What's this one then? Debian testing Spain. Soplos is a set of this. Soplos Linux is a set of desktop-oriented Linux distributions based on Debian's testing, featuring several popular desktop environments. It offers rolling updates, up-to-date software, a relatively lightweight and customizable desktop, compatibility with older hardware, and various speed and performance optimization features. The distribution ships with a number of custom applications such as Soplos Theme Manager, Soplos Plymouth Manager, and Soplos Dock like for adding and removing applications in the dock, plus the Soplos Grub Editor. Lots of customization then. Download. What one should we do? We'll try Gnome. Nope, SourceForge, abort. Sloplos. Salad. When was a salad? There, Tyson is a KDE and good. Cool. Dafil. Francais? Probably Francais. Gentoo. Dafil. Dafil is the heart of a digital music system. Yeah, that's not going to work, is it? No desktop. From Finland. Yeah, nah. Next. Linux FX. Oh, that's number 39. Does that mean it's quite old if it's got a low number? Brazil. Ubuntu. Oh, really? Ubuntu. Download current release. We were saved. We were saved by the SourceForge. Let's go. No, Randy. No distro is garbage. I've done that one already. No distro is garbage. What are you talking about? It's just not to your liking. No, I won't have that in my channel. I will not have that in my channel. No. Stop. SourceForge is really, really slow. I haven't got time to wait around for it to download, dude. We've done Alpine. I just forgot to remove it. Oh wait, no, Alpine. Wait, what? Hang on, let me just check. Alpine Linux, a community developed operating system designed for routers, firewalls. Yeah, we did do that one. Bluefin. Okay. If you like pop-ups asking you to pay for their extra AI stuff, then go for Linux FX. Try out. Discover. Bluefin for everyone. Recommended. Standard for most. Download the ISO. Looks interesting. It does. It's a nice website. We're getting 24 megabits per second, so that won't take too long. It's like I say about Ubuntu, Randy, right? Ubuntu has its place in the world, just not in my world. Linux FS has a place in the world, just not our world. Okay? That's how I look at all distros. This is nice chill, this track, isn't it? Oh, let's have a look at this wallpaper, because that looks cool. Wonder where I got that one from. I should be fixing SCX Scheduler Manager. That's what I should be doing. That is funny that at 9:15 it advertised in my Discord that I was live. It's quite a nice one, isn't it? It's quite nice and crisp. I mean, that's a bad example because I'm using the wait, what? I'll do that. I got that one from Smitty, actually. So that's what it looks like with the actual proper colour system, the colouring. Whee! Let me just move that one over there and we'll just zoom into that one. No, we won't. We'll zoom into that one. There you go. Found it on DeviantArt, just searched ultra wide. Nice. Randy says, I do like this music, kind of like an 80s group called Zymox. Oh, okay. Where were we? We were on this one. It's almost done. We've got a new unread in the Discord. What we got? VIP chat? Yeah, I'm not playing that. That's funny, dude. Are we done yet? Are we done? Open. So we're going to grab Bluefin, which is just there, and we're going to drop it in to distros just there. Move. Now we can close that off. Oh, hang on. Wait for it to finish. Done. close that off. We're going to go to... Did I actually close virtual machine? I don't think we're going to need that. New. Actually, what we'll do is we're going to get rid of ZenWalk. We're going to get rid of... Oh, that's fine. Open, forward, browse, Bluefin. We'll just say Fedora. Oh, would it be silver blue? Uh, 4192. Wait, what? 4192. Hey, no, 8192. 8192. 8192. Couple of extra CPUs. Couple of extra gigs. What was this called? Bluefin. We are going to add 3D acceleration. We are going to enable open a GL and we're going to set listen type to none. We're going to go begin installation. I always think of the music as pimped out elevator music for a motivated day. Love it. It has that good vibes feel. I've been playing this same music and it's pretty much the same list now for about 6 years. Welcome to Bluefin. This live media can be used to install Bluefin or as a temporary system. Installation can be started anytime by launching the install app. Take a listen to Zymox or Cusco. Language, English United Kingdom. Next. Why isn't it asking for my keyboard? Okay. Oh. Huh. This one's called Talking Polaris by Dext 1200. Oh, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to download... I said this to Don the other day. I'll download all of the tracks rather than play them from the interweb, and then I can control them much better with something like VLC, and I'll be able to set up key binds to stop the music. I mean, obviously I could do that. Oh yeah, I haven't played that for a while. Which one should I do? We'll do that one.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も各種登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
And yeah, don't forget to like, because it's easy to forget. Every time I go into Don's stream, I always forget to like, unless I do it straight away. And then I don't do it until somebody says, oh yeah, don't forget to like. I'm like, oh shit. So if you like, and you've forgotten to like, now's the time to like. Now's the time to like. Oh, there you go. Thanks, Nightbot. Coming in there, clutch. Did you forget, Dex? Did you forget? Is that what happened? Where is it gone then? Was this the one we were looking at? No, that's a separate one. Should we do some wallpaper hunting whilst we're waiting? Let's do that. Think of a search category. Safe for work, please. Safe for work. Mecha. $127 pages of mecha. Reverse search on your desktop returned 0 matches. I mean, that one looks like it might be cool. Okay, okay. I wish the actual highlight was the blue from there. Can we make that happen? Well, that's quite nice. I quite like... See, I normally use tonal spot. It's a little bit too much. If we can get it to do the blue on... Oh, that's not bad. I don't see any green tones, though. It's the blue tone should really stick out, you know? Now we'll go back to tonal spot. We're going to stick with tonal spot for now. That's quite nice. Not a bad one. Not a bad one, is it? I don't really want to bring that one up because it makes it look odd. Right, next. Next search, please. Next search. We've done mecha. Any other ideas for searches for wallpapers? Get your suggestion in right now. Suggestion in. Actually, what I can do is just do this. Look. They got to be big ones, though. They got to be big ones. I need a new wallpaper. I need some new search options. Some search criteria. Oh, hang on, I forget. They've got more here. Look. Type ultra wide. I've actually raised a feature request so you can filter it by size. Ultra wide girls with guns. Yeah, I don't have that on my desktop really. I don't like people really on the desktop or characters or anything like that normally. I mean, what is good is this has got a a safe for work filter on it, so I could, but it's not something I would put on my desktop myself. So, yeah, nah. I don't know how this looks on stream. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, does it? Oh, why? It keeps blocking your... Oh, take a selfie of me. Nah, you're good. You're good. It's fine. I mean, you'd have to pay me $50 for that one. And you'd have to be not naked. Then I might. Right, I'm joking. Don't. I think we need to be a little bit more specific in the search. Has anyone put anything in here? Come on. Come on. There's got to be something. There's got to be something, guys. Come on. There's 26 of you. Come on. Pick something. Space. Oh, dude. Really? Ultra wide space. Can we do that? What if we just do space? I love space as well. But I've got loads of space ones already. Geometric patterns. Geometric patterns. Yeah, no, I don't like that sort of stuff. Next. We'll go back to space whilst we're waiting. That one's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad, is it? Some random planet. Anti-Windows. I don't even want to type in Windows in case I accidentally click on one. I likey. I'll stick it in the any ones that I install, I'll stick in the Discord. Obviously. Without my fast fetch on it. I've got most of these already. The actual space ones, the real space ones. Seriously? Why? Any others? Any others? Any others? For any others? Any more? Come on, guys. Use your imagination. I've got that one, I think. Ooh, that's not a bad shout, Randy. Neon lights. What's that one? Plug in now. Okay, so you can tell it's... Oh, it's going so well. Soft sys. Well, I don't know. Let's just do that. Kiroshi. It's AI, isn't it? I don't know though. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it might be. Oh, sorry. What I've worked out is when I'm doing this zooming in, you've got to I've got to be really careful with the mouse. Very slightly moving the mouse. Roasted noodles. Okay, I don't know then. You might be right. Might be right there. Cyberpunk. Huh. Let's just have a look at a couple more. Oh, hang on. I'm not really a car fan, but that one's... Oh, this one looks cool. That's too small. Let me just zoom in again. Yeah, a lot of the Cyberpunk ones are going to bring up the games, aren't they? Night Skyline or Neon Skyline. Okay. Oh, no. That one. Windows 8? Oh, hang on a minute. I just realised what we were doing. Hey Master Mods, how you doing? Good to see you. What window manager do you use? I use one, it's a custom one called Kinetic WE. Made, custom built by our very own.
Fresh beat, fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Dawn.
Black Dom. Oh, lost the chat now. Where was the chat? I just got a glimpse of something there. Did I miss some chat somewhere? Randy, Dex, Eugene, Smitty, Master Mods, Randy, Smitty. Still waiting. Wait. Oh yeah, never gonna happen, dude. I'm older than you, so I'll be dead before it happens. My headstone will say, did not install OpenSUSE. We would like water lights. Water lights. Water lights. Huh. Over there. Let's have a look at water lights. Water lights. Sounds about right. You know it. You know it. I mean, that one might... That looks like it's upside down, though. City lights. Maybe. I might take my camera up to London and take some proper, real photos. I don't mind samurai and ninja. Yeah, that's not coming up to with anything great, is it? Yeah, no for psychedelic kaleidoscope. That's all I've got. Appreciate that though, Randy. Appreciate that. Dystopian. Usually water lights give me a nightmare of the city with... Oh, nighttime at the city with the reflection in the water. Ah. That one looks like it might be nice. Let's have a look. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. Don't mind that one at all. Hey, iBreaking, how you doing? Is this KDE Plasma? Hell no. No, it's not. It's a custom Kwin build with elements of KDE. There's no Plasma. My shell is Noctalia. So all of the dock is all Noctalia version 5. So all of this, all the zooming stuff, that's all Kwin. That's all Kwin. The only Plasma part, that's the only thing that's really part of Plasma is the settings app. Oh, sorry, KDE is the settings app. Yeah, I mean, it's great. I do like it. I like it a lot. Not going to lie. Got some really cool features as well. If I get rid of that, for example, and just open up a batch of dolphins. Actually, no, I need to do that, don't I? Open up a batch of dolphins so they're all stacking nicely. You got another one there, look. Another one there. Another one there. Close them all up. Boom, 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 boom. Very cool. CashOS came out with Noctalia. It's in the new release ISO today. Nice. Yeah, Noctalia is great. They're doing a great job. In fact, I'm guessing Lysex's probably not doing anything today, and I hope he's not doing anything today on the Sunday. But I'll be keeping an eye out on it tomorrow. Let me just do that. GitHub. Where's the GitHub? Go to GitHub. Go down to here. Let me just move that out of the way. No, don't want to do that. Just move it to. Oh, that's just ruined it. Hang on. Oh, we'll just leave it there. Screw it. So we've got Noctalia Dev. That's the plugins. We don't want that one. We want to go to Noctalia. Where's Noctalia Git? What's there? Yeah, look, so many bugs and features have come in over the weekend. Oh, that's 4 days ago. So, yeah, so 2 days would have been Friday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's quite a few there. Is this even the right one? I don't even think this is version 5, is it? Oh, maybe it is. Anywho. Sexy Biscuello, if I could have a main monitor feature on Noctalia, I would use it. But because my games turn on a completely different monitor every time, I'm stuck with KDE. Wait, what? That's nothing to do with Noctalia. That would be your window manager. Noctalia doesn't manage Windows. Yeah, but it's the window manager that manages your Windows. Wayland's the compositor, right? Yeah, if you're Niri or Hyperland. So it'll be Niri or Hyperland that determines where the windows go. What do you mean only GNOME and KDE has a main monitor feature? That does not compute to me. Yes, it's not going to be in here. It's going to be on. It's going to be in the. Well, on Niri, it'll be on the. Oh, you could try Kinetic when it comes out, because basically Kinetic is using the Kwin back end, and I mean I've even got HDR enabled on this one. So it's a you mean primary monitor, don't you? I use Lab WC. Ah, okay. Fair enough. Yeah. Have I still got my Niri config? I will have my Niri config still, won't I? I'm pressing N. I'm pressing B and wondering why it's not going to N. So let's focus on startup. My main monitor. And then that's my second monitor. Yeah, cool. Yeah, and I just showed you it in my config settings as well. Eye breaking. I'm having a hard time whether to use GNOME or KDE since I love how GNOME looks, but KDE feels much more fleshed out as a desktop environment. You just got to try it. You got to try them, dude. Just literally pick one and say, I'm going to stick with this desktop environment for 1 month. And then after that, I'm going to change to the next one and I'm going to stick to that for 1 month. And then make your decision. It's kind of what I did with, so I was on KDE. So I started on SteamOS with KDE and then I moved on to Fedora with KDE. And I absolutely loved KDE. And it was great. Everything was great. It felt really good. I really like it. Okay. Then I was on a call with Don and he was showing me Z Editor and he had this weird desktop environment going on and I found out it was Niri and Noctalia and I tried it in a VM. Learned how to use all the configs and stuff and get it all set up to how it looked freaking amazing in a VM. And I thought, I'm going to install it. So I installed it and I run it alongside KDE for weeks. Literally weeks. I had KDE running and I had Niri and Noctalia running. How many times you want to bet I logged into KDE? A big fat 0. Big fat 0. Big fat 0. So I'm now on, well I was on Niri Noctalia. And I've been on Niri and Noctalia for weeks and I was in a call with Don and we were talking about Kwin and Smitty was saying that the KDE streams were much better than the other streams because it just looked a lot smoother and that's down to Kwin being a much better compositor than all of the rest. So we started thinking and getting our thinking hats on and thinking, I wonder if we can do something with Kwin. It'd be great if there was a can we not just not use Kwin but in Niri? And then we started to think about it and I ripped out Kwin separately, grabbed the source code, built it and added Noctalia to it, and I got there with Niri and Noctalia. So with Kwin and Noctalia, nothing else. But it didn't work. It wasn't great. Don has built out Kinetic WE, and that's what you're looking at now. So this is a mixture of Kwin and all of the wonderful stuff you get with Kwin, like wobbly windows and the zooming. Just in case you can't see that. Zoom. Hang on. Which pixels should we go to? Let's go to. Oh, we can't quite go to pixels. There we go. And I know that's Kwin because I didn't install Plasma at all. Plasma workspaces at all, and both of these things worked. So yeah. So that's the best one. Oh, I lost my chat. Wait, what? easier to theme. Oh, I don't know. It's not easier to theme. Right, Zezio, tell me one thing, right? How do you do this? Tell me how you do this. How do you put... Let me show you what I want to do, and then you can tell me how to do it in KDE, right? So I'm a little bit bored with my bar, okay? So I'm going to go to my bar, and I'm going to click on my default bar, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to say, right, I want my clock to be on the left-hand side. Boom, done. Oh, no, actually, no, I don't want it to be there. I want my clock to be in the middle. Boom, done. No, I don't like it there. I want my clock to be on the right-hand side. And I want it there. Tell me how to do that. Tell me how to do that in KDE. Yeah, I know. Well, the thing is, Gnome, you've got all of the add-ins, haven't you? In fact, I think, if I remember rightly, oh no, it was Cinnamon. Cinnamon I enjoyed. iBreaking says, do you know whether one of them performs better in gaming? Anything Kwin. Wayland on Kwin is so much more mature than anything else. Seabiscuit says, true, I use GNOME for years and I want to try KDE, so on my OpenSUSE and partition I use KDE now. There you go. Cross-eyed Cobra, there you got a fellow OpenSUSE chap there now. Normally Shunk says, example, in Hyperland, if you have 3 monitors, you have to something DP0, HDMI1, DB2. You would use the command workspace 1 default true. Yeah, so it's just it's the difference is it's not visible, is it? You setting your primary monitors not easily visible, and I think that's what people get confused with. Smitty says, I think KDE runs gaming best, and that's my personal opinion. I think you're right though. Oh, okay, got you. 60% says, on my CashieOS I use LabWC and Noctalia. Can she completely ignores my setting to set primary monitor? Oh, what was a great reminder, Don? What did I remind you? No, you don't. It doesn't. You can't do that, Zezio. You can't drag it where you want it at all. Me and Don were on a call yesterday trying to do it. You cannot do it. Yeah, Cinnamon is very underrated. It's probably my favourite non-KDE GNOME type desktop environment. If all of the other ones went away, then I would use Cinnamon. No, this is not Hyperland. Maybe I should bring up the... there we go. Let's just pop that up there. There we go. Hopefully you can see that okay. So I'm running Wayland Compositor with a custom it's not a window manager, it's a window environment. We've called it something different. So it's called Kinetic Window Environment. It's by our very own
Fresh beat, fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome to Black Dawn.
It's by Black Dom, and it will be coming out soon. I think it's almost ready, isn't it, Dom? When's that Don guy going to release this for a real distro? Yeah, never. It's never going to OpenSUSE. You got to type in like 6 letters just to do the package manager. It's almost as bad as freaking Arch, where you've got to type in 5. Actually, I did actually set my alias up to be Simon Says instead of sudo, and it's the same amount of characters. Work that one out. Mantis Spocious, hello. Got it. I use stock Fedora KDE Plasma. Man, I'm so happy. Good, that's awesome. It's nice when you've got a desktop environment that you love. As I said earlier, probably before you come in, don't forget to hit like, that I use KDE on SteamOS and then carried on using it on Fedora. So that would have been about, well, I've been on this environment, on this new build for 37 days, of which the last 2 days has been on Kinetic WE. The rest of the time before that, in the last 37 days. So 35 days I've been on Niri and Noctalia, plus the time that I was on it before I changed. So I don't know. I'm just saying words, and I don't know if they're in the right order. How did it go? I stepped away for an hour or so. How did what go? I don't know what I was doing when you left, but whatever it was I was doing, I'm not doing it anymore. Sexy Biscuit says, I think my fave is XFCE, but Xorg is not okay with games. Euro Truck Simulator 2 is a slideshow. Damn. Have you tried Plasma Big Screen? It's cool. Also, greetings from Lithuania. No, I haven't actually. I didn't even know that was a thing. Oh, Zen Walk install. Yeah, we failed. It errored again, and I just got bored, gave up. I did install Bluefin, so I did do that, but I didn't even load it up yet, and I'm probably not going to now. I'm chatting with you guys. It's great. I love it. So what everyone in chat who's here, type in the chat what distro you're on. Go. Go. What distro are you on? Is Kinetic WE lighter than Niri? On an install, it's 1.9 gig for me, whereas, well, it's not really Niri, it's more Noctalia that was adding to the load. But yeah, 1.9. So we have got Arctics, we've got Cashew, we've got Nyx, we've got Devuyan, we've got Solus. Oh, actually, I better type in, don't I? Fedora. Oh. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed is not greater than Fedora. OpenSUSE, nice. Pika OS, nice. No, OpenSUSE is great. I did a video on it. Cool video as well, bro, on installing it and that. Just stop using the AI generated thumbnails. Pika OS. Any more for any more? That's a good mix though. That's a bloody good mix. My girlfriend is on Pika OS as well. Nice. Got a good mix of distros here, isn't it? Zero Linux, obviously. Arch based. Nice. Second distro round. No, we're still on the first one. How many? We didn't get that many answers, did we? Everyone's chilling. That's fine. I was looking at wallpapers, wasn't I? It's quite satisfying looking at wallpapers, you know. Don't know why. What's that one? That looks interesting. Is that Half-Life? That's Half-Life, isn't it? Shame it's too small. Is that like a gun? Oh, that looks interesting. Let's have a look at that one. Meh. Go back into the pictures, wallpapers. Bye bye. Oh, I like that one. That's from that game, isn't it? What's that game called? What's this game called? Problem is it's only 1080p. I mean, it doesn't look too bad though, does it? That's quite nice actually. I'm going to keep that one. What's the game called again? Oh, hang on. I've got a odd thought. The visualizer looks like two boobies. Oh, that's why he said boobies, and YouTube blocked it. Jumping up and down, just saying. Oh no, Velocity. I said you got a friend in chat who also is running OpenSUSE Cobra. Stray, that's it, Stray. Have I got that? I think I might have it on PlayStation. Let's move that over there. Move that over there for a minute. Library. Oh, we've got Straya. Okay, new game before I go to bed. Shout out a game. Shout out a game. Cat Simulator would be a better name. I might have it on PlayStation actually. Shout out a game and I'll see if I've got it. Later, Velocity. Thanks for popping in. Have one of those before you go. So shout out a game. I see if I've got it. If it's installed, I'll play it. Neverwinter. Nah. Hey, hi Cylon. I don't think I've got Neverwinter. Not in here anyway. Nah. I have it on a CD somewhere. Oh, hang on. Oh no, I haven't got my CD drive plugged in. I've got it on a CD somewhere. I used to play Neverwinter Nights so much back in the day. It's unbelievable how much I used to play that. Oh, and do you know what I've not done today? I've my camera on today. Hello. It's quite in the way there though, isn't it? Any more for any more? There is one game that I'm going to be playing on Saturday probably. Well, it depends actually what the members suggest. But Car Mechanic Simulator. Single player demo. PoE. Yes, I've got PoE. Path of Exile 1. Path of Exile 2. None are installed though. Is that the type of game you like, Cylon? Oh yeah, I said yeah, you got to stop using AI generated thumbnails, dude. You might get a few more hits. I found that out the hard way. It just puts people off for no reason. Goat Simulator. Did I get that one? It's my son. See, I got my son's library as well. You see. Nope, no Goat Simulator. I've got lots of simulators though. There you go. That's all the simulators I got. Hence me having a poll, which includes simulators. Got a whole roll of them. Fresh Start, Bum. I completed Bum Simulator. Prologue, Builder Simulator, Hairdresser Simulator. Don't ask. Chocolate Factory, Music Store. Music Store is quite good actually. I need to know how to create a good thumbnail by LGL. Yeah, good. Yeah. I cheat and I just use Photoshop. A sneak peek at next week's. So yeah, I cheat. I like this one. Okay. Gold mining simulator. There is one game that I really want to play, but I haven't played yet, and got really excited about playing it. What was it? Actually, Roadcraft. I pre-ordered that one, and I haven't played it since. Storage Hunter. I played a lot on SteamOS. Not using it. Ah, there you go. Find out what Don used. Don, what do you use for your thumbnails again? A simulator, yeah. The Precinct, that's it. I've not played it yet. Carver. Is that what he uses? Canva. Okay. Canva. Don't they buy out what was that Adobe competitor? Isn't Carver a wine? Affinity, yeah. So Canva bought Affinity, and you can get Affinity for free. But if you want the AI stuff, then you have to have a Canva license. And I almost did switch to Affinity, but they didn't have a Linux native version. So I thought, why bother? You know, I got Windows and Mac. So is Adobe. I already had an Adobe license, and I actually quite like it. So I didn't change. Yeah. Yeah, I know. So does Photoshop. If it was native, I probably would have switched to it. At the time that I was thinking of exiting my license with Adobe, if Affinity had a Linux native version, I probably would have gone for that. But as it happens, they didn't. And I was putting it on my Mac anyway. So I ended up staying with Photoshop because I already had it. It's about the same price as well, because if I was to get the same functionality in Affinity, I'd need to buy the Canva license. Wendes, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Have you taken a look at Singularity OS yet? No, I have not yet. It hasn't come up on the spin the wheel just yet. Singularity is a desktop you actually enjoy using, calm, fast and easy to make your own. No clutter, nothing nagging you and nothing running behind your back you didn't ask for. Okay. I need pretty pictures, that's what I need. Yeah, Wendes, not that. That looks like gnome. Ish. Is that one there? In features. Looks very basic, really. Search everything. Okay. Okay, so it's got bottles on there. Okay. Themes your way. Does it do this? This would be interesting. Does it do this? That's installed now, but we're gonna minimize that. Actually, we're just gonna minimize. No, we're gonna minimize. No, we're gonna minimize that. So does it do this? Look. So look at the colors of my desktop, my bar, and everything. Right, you ready? You ready for this? Let's change it to something like very different. We're gonna go for this one. See everything? All the colors changed. See that? Oh, we're going to change it to something else. We'll change it to this one. We're going to change it to... let's grab one of the new ones that we got today, shall we? Let's change it to... I do quite like this one. That's quite nice. But actually, the one I wanted to do is the one that's on next week's thumbnail, which is this one just here. There we go. Nah. I think I'll stick with this one, Windows, to be honest, dude. Oh! Enormous chunks. That's the genius idea. I thought I could find more. Hang on. Copy to. Because I can change them. Oh, here we go. Huge scene gallery. So this one would be like a green one, wouldn't it? So we go green. We can do... We've got one called Emerald Isle. No, that doesn't really show up as green, does it? Hang on. Yeah, that's green, look. How's that showing up? Let's just do that one. Add to... Save to my scenes. I'm just going to turn it up a bit. Huh. Great stream tonight, but near midnight here. Sleepy tomorrow. Job hunt resumes. Time is ticking. See you on the next one. Thanks for looking at this Zero Door. No worries, dude. You take care, man. Have a good one. Enormous chunks. You might be onto something there. Because if I bring up this tool here, look. It's going to release it from window how.
Tiling hell.
I'm just going to take it down here. That'll be fine. We'll put it to here. But if I do that and then go into settings, Philips Hue. So I can link my Philips Hue to this app that I use. And that's the one I use to play things like the, I just press a button, I can turn the camera on and off. I can change it to the different resolutions to bring up both screens. And so I could have along the top, I don't know if you can see my hand there, yeah, along the top of here, or even just down here, in these empty spaces here, I can have the colours. And then what I could do is have a script I don't know how it would do it though. You got me thinking now, dude. You got me thinking now. Oh, hang on. Just realised you can't see anything right now. Let's do that. There we go. That's where we were, wasn't it? We were just there. Actually, we were looking at wallpapers again, weren't we? Where's my phone gone? There we go. So you can see I've got different different scenes that I can get. So I can get all different colours. So I've got Dreamy Dusk. I've got Coastal Nights. Juicy Watermelon Summer Splash. Huh. But I tend to use Tokyo. And you can press play so they rotate. So if I turn that up there, like I can just press play. And the colours just rotate through the purple. Good. Very cool. Oh, hang on, I need to put that back onto YouTube so I can see what's going on. There we go. Right. I don't think I missed anyone, did I? Zezio, Eye Breaking, Velocity's gone, Mantispocious. Zezio there. All members are here. Love you dudes. Thank you very much. Cylon. Lots of new names tonight. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can come back. Be nice to see you again. How are we doing for the likes actually? Oh, we're not bad. We're not doing too bad, are we? Watch this. I'm going to freak you out now. Woo. 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 We've got 22 out of 35. Thank you so much. That's cool. One day we will reach that target. Well, that's interesting. Look, if I do that. Oh, that's why. Okay. How freaky is that? Pop you back over there. So this is how I can see what you guys can see. See? Right. Where's the audio again? Let's come back to here. We'll do that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the other one, which is, where is it? This one here? No, this one here. There we go. We're going to press that button there. And then I'm going to press this button. Massive, massive thank you to everybody who's been hanging out tonight. It's been an absolute blast. Special thank you to the wonderful Don for this amazing environment that I'm working in right now. Loving it, dude. Great job. Just going to go through the top fans. Anything happened tonight? Nothing happened tonight, did we? Did we do anything tonight? Oh my god, that's a quiet night. No supers, no memberships. What's wrong with you all? Did you forget? Right, we're going to look at our top fans. Let's go. We have got in 5th place the wonderful Smitty. Thank you, dude. 4th place, Enormous Chunks. Enormous Chunks in at 4. Then we've got the Velocity hanging out. Always a pleasure having you here, dude. In 3rd place. In 2nd place, we've got the Black Don. This is going to sound weird, but I'm doing it anyway.
Fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Dawn.
And in 1st place, we've got Zero Linux. Actually, that was joint top 3, actually. Velocity, Black Dawn, and Zero Linux are joint 1st. So there we go. Anyway, don't forget to comment Yeah, don't forget to comment on the stream after I stop being live. That really does help push the stream out to those people that maybe not watched it. But as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care and I'll catch you in the next one.